Hello there and welcome back to Between the Keys. I have a quick 4-chord song for you here today, and it's called Cold Cold Heart. It is an Elton John song, but it's a remix with Lipa. I do prefer the original, and I'm sure some of you out there do as well, but maybe you don't, maybe you prefer this newer, modern version. Either way, it doesn't matter, both songs are cool with me. It's a human sign, that's the first lyric, and the first chord is B flat minor, followed by E flat minor, followed by F sharp, followed by F minor. Let's do them again. B flat minor, E flat minor, F sharp, major, F minor again. Once more around the clock, we go. You could also just hold them. F sharp, F minor. That's 4 times, and that's enough for me, because it says 4 times. Verse. It's a human sign. E flat minor. When things go wrong. F sharp, E to down and to F minor, and down to, I meant to say, and down to F minor, and again. And the scent of her lingers, baby, and temptation strong. Them same 4 chords. Your cold, cold heart are done by you. Something's looking better, baby. You can put the 7 in to almost all of these. Just passing through. No, no, oh no. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. The touchdown brings us round again to find I'm not the man. Okay, hang on a second. Gotta move this pedal. Let's do the chorus again. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. F sharp till touchdown brings us round again to find B flat comes in. Not the man, E flat. They think I am at home. F sharp. Oh no, no, no. This is where I should. This is what I should have said. And this is what I should have said. Well, I thought it, but I kept it here. Same 4. And this is what I should have said. And I thought it, but I kept it here. I played that part twice, but it's just once through. I just wanted to sing it again, in tune, hopefully. Cold, cold heart, pre-chorus. Hard done by you. Something's looking better, baby. Developing a speech impediment now. I've made too many videos in one day. Just passing through. No, 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 no. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man I think I am at home. Oh, no, no, no. What does it do? It does that other part again. And this is what I should have said. Well, I thought it, but I kept it here. Cold, cold heart. Whoa. Hard done by you. Some things look better, baby. Oh, just passing through. And it goes round again with the chorus. Think it's going to be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find. And it does it how many times? Twice all the way through. Think it's what I should have said, and I think it's going to be a long, long time. Goes almost 3 times. Well, I thought it, but I kept it hid. Not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, no, oh no. Outro is Shira. Shira? I don't remember him saying Shira. Maybe they do. But either way, it's the same 4 chords. Shira. Oh, Shira. Who is Shira? What do they want? Send them away. I don't know anyone called Shira, and I won't be talking to them. little ad-lib ending there for you. That was Cold Cold Heart with the remix by Elton John and Lipa. And hopefully you managed to learn that 4-chord song. Just 4 chords. Nice easy one for you tonight. So I'll hopefully see you in the next one. And if you could, please click like and subscribe, because it surely helps out the channel. Ta-ta for now. Or ciao.